YouTube video. Can you drop a like on this video? I would really appreciate it. And today we have something very fun and educational. We got the Melissa & Dell Super Smile Dentist Kit playset. And it has 25 pieces. Let's get right into it. I'm super excited. One of my dreams when I grow up is to become a dentist, so I think this will be very good practice. And it's super educational if you want to learn. Ooh, it looks like we've got our drill. Oh my goodness, hairs everywhere. So we got a tray, and this is our tray to set all of our tools on. I'm super excited. If you guys can't tell, I'm like super excited for this, so yeah. I've seen this all over TikTok, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I want it. It comes with a pick, our mirror. We're gonna put it right here. A toothpaste to sparkle more, and there's nothing inside of it. I've seen people, they put like real toothpaste in it, so you can do that if you want. Next, we've got our treatments, like you can do examine, clean, drill, retainer / braces, or pull out a tooth. And you can see like floss daily, rinse daily, and brush after every meal. And on this side, it like shows you the teeth, and you can put the patient's name and age. I think this is very fun role play thing. Oh my goodness, these are our stick-on cavities. Oh boy, okay. Ooh, we've got a bunch more tools. So you can take this off and switch it out. This is our little polisher. And if you do this, you can switch it between the drill and stuff. You can see. And if you do this, it vibrates, so it like pretend cleans their teeth, which is super fun. Our toothbrush, it's kind of rubbery like the toothpaste part. It is, but the rest of it's plastic. Our dental floss, and there's actually some string in there to pretend as floss. And it says floss for healthy gums. And you guys should be brushing your teeth after every meal as well, and taking care of them to make sure you don't get no pesky cavities, because no one wants those. This, ooh, we've got a cup. You'll see why we need it. And some dental rinse. I've also seen people put water in there for that. A mask. You can put it on. And Velcros. You can see, you can do that, and you can actually go onto your face. Super cool. This is our gauze. See? And our other piece of gauze. Yes, I got it out finally. This is our two polishes. We got bubblegum flavor polish and chocolate flavor polish. And people also put water in there. Our little like thing for the dentist names, you can put around your neck and Velcro, which is super nice. And here, inside this box, is our retainers and braces, which we'll be putting those on later on our patient, which we're gonna act as, it's my mom. My mom's gonna be the patient. This is the exciting part, you guys. Ah, it's our teethers. It has a soft tongue, kind of squishy. It's so nice, it's so cool. I'm so excited, like I can't even explain. Now, we're gonna see and maybe clean our patient. The patient of today is going to be my mom. So yeah, let's see, we're gonna pick a cavity. We'll do one, and you can put it like right there. You can see, now it's a cavity. And the teeth like close and everything, and you can check them out, which is super fun. Let's get this. So it looks like we're gonna do retainer and braces and a clean today. So let's do it. We got some of that. We're gonna start off this examining by brushing the teeth. So when you brush your teeth, you wanna make sure you get in all those nooks and crannies. You can see everywhere, especially these teeth and your molars and stuff. Of course, now we're gonna check out the teeth. Everything's looking good. And oh, we've got a cavity right there in that tooth. So we're gonna need to pick that. We've got our pick and let's pick at it. Oh, and there it goes. Our cavity has came off, which is super cool. And now we're gonna do this. Mom, pick a flavor. Would you like bubblegum or chocolate?
Bubblegum.
You want bubblegum? I knew you were gonna say that. My mom's like favorite flavor is bubblegum. We're gonna do that. We're just gonna dip it and there we go. That's all done. And now it looks like and you guys, if you want to pull a tooth, it doesn't actually come out all the way, but it does come out that much, by the way. And now, where the cavity was, we're gonna drill it a little bit as well. But we're gonna need to put our cavity back on, because you can drill at the cavity, which you're gonna need to do. As you can see, we got our drill, and drill it right there. Oh boy, it looks like it might be coming off. Drill that cavity, and boom, cavity is gone. And now it looks like it's time for braces, and we're gonna try out both of them. So you can pretend this is Invisalign or braces. Now you can pop the babies on. Hold on, this one might be from the top. Yeah, probably. There we go. Top and bottom. Now it looks like some retainers or could be Invisalign. Whatever you guys want. So looks like my mom's gonna be getting some braces today. So let's do that. And I'm gonna use this and pick it a little bit. Oops. Boom. And for the tops, bam! My mom now has braces for pretend. Look how cool it is. And now we're gonna swish it out with some dental rinse. So let's open it up, pour it in our cup, and pour it in our patient's mouth. Oops. Real braces don't fall out like that. Just pour it in our mouth and swish it, swish it, swish it. And boom, all clean. And that's the examining all done. It looks like our patient has came back and they're getting braces off today, which is super exciting, and a tooth pulled. So let's get started. We're gonna check out the teeth, make sure the braces are ready to come on. And it looks like they are, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna use a little pick and just pick at the braces. Whoop, it looks like we got the bottom ones off. And top ones. Ooh, they were a little stubborn, but they came off. And now it's time to pull a tooth. Looks like the back one here is a little bit of a loose one. Oh, here we go. And we just pretend it came out, because it can't really have small pieces because it's also made for little kids as well. We don't want to make sure they swallow it. So just pretend we pull that out. Now we're gonna put some gauze and shut it. Boom! Teeth are all nice and cleaned. So yeah, we need to floss before they leave. That's important. It looks like our there has healed. So we got some floss for healthy gums to do flossing. So a little floss between each tooth. You can see flossy. and floss. You want to make sure you get in between all of those teeth. Make sure there's no food stuck in there and that they're all brushed and no plaque is also in between the teeth because it can get in there. And done. So our patient is all set and ready to leave the Super Smile Dentist. I definitely recommend this set. It is a 10 out of 10. It's super fun and educational. If you guys like things about dentists or you want to become one, I think it's fun and you guys should definitely. I also have some very exciting news. I'm going to be giving away the Love Diana musical wishing box. The brand new one that just came out. It's not even in the US stores yet. And all you have to do to enter this giveaway is comment a number between 1 and 15. Good luck, you guys! And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!